Okay, so this is the wardrobe by me. This is the wardrobe by me boyfriend sweater. Nice, oversized, comfy, cozy loungewear. There's not a lot I can say about this. It does feel like the perfect kind of lazy Sunday dressing, but I can imagine me throwing it on over my gym gear for Pilates or whatever. It's just comfy, it's just cozy. It feels like a hug in jumper form, and I love my contrasts. I'm so glad I went for this coral instead of the original green that I was planning to go for, which was just a bit of an off match. But yes, oversized, but not to the point of kind of drowning me. But it's comfy, it's easy to wear. What can I say? Look forward to seeing your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really soon.